What's up, y'all? It's your girl Oniko, aka Styles by Cashapp, and I am back with another tutorial for you guys. So today we'll be using some jam. Either or of the kind I just showed is perfect. I love the purple kind. This is some She's Bomb Edge Control and it works so good. It's a black owned business. So today my client is getting some lemonade braids and I'm so excited because I haven't recorded a lemonade braid tutorial in a minute, and I have, but it was on my other channel, so we're gonna get right into this video. Okay, I parted my client's hair into the way her head is shaped. I want you guys to know, well, I want some of my clients to know, or people who inquire with me in the future, that you guys cannot always get a style the exact way someone else's is. So I'm not going to tell you to part it exactly like how I did my clients, because your client's hair may be fuller than mine and my client's hair may be thicker than yours or thinner, or it doesn't matter. But you guys cannot always get the same exact thing because some people's head is bigger, some people's head is smaller. So that's what I want some of you guys to know that ask me that question a very, very, very awful lot, and it kind of is annoying because I just want some of y'all to know that it's not going to turn out the same way. So right here, as you can see, I'm feeding in the braid with small pieces of hair, and I'm just going to keep feeding in small pieces of hair and get a tiny bit bigger as I go until the braid gets fuller. This is how you get the HD look, and to make sure your parts are extra crispy, I usually just part a section of the hair or where I feel like it's close enough, and then I put the gem in between, and I actually go in and actually part for real. Like, I don't like the first, I just section out a small piece at first, and then I put the gem right there and I actually part it the way I'm gonna actually braid it. here I am just showing you how the back looks. I really don't, well, I know some braiders sew theirs together, like sew their braids together so they can get the close look, but I honestly just braid them close together. So right here, I'm just adding some mousse to her hair to put all the frizzes down. right here is one of the most important parts, is to oil your client's hair. I usually tell all of my clients, do not come with any oil or product in your hair because I will do it for you. It's because when you braid, or well, for me, when I braid, when you have oil in your hair, it tends to slip out of my hands, and I have pretty small hands, as you can see, and it's not that easy to braid with small hands. And right here, I'm just redoing her edges with some of the She's Balm, and I will put a picture of that. And a lot of you guys ask me, where did I get that edge control? I do not order it. I actually get it from the beauty supply store, and it is expensive, but it's black owned and it's expensive just like every other product is. And right here, I'm back at it again with my $15 water kettle from Walmart. You guys, this works wonders, and I really think you guys should get one if you're a braider. Like, it works. You don't need to boil in water on the stove. You don't have to. This is just $15. Invest into one. Invest into your business. Let the record show that I do not recommend anyone else to do this if you're not careful and responsible. I'm only doing it because I'm being very careful, and I'm being very responsible with my client. If you do this and you potentially burn one of your clients or burn yourself doing this, I'm not being held accountable, because I just told you have to be very careful, or you can have someone help you do this. So I just fold my towel up really thick, and I pour the water on, and this water is very steaming hot. I only do this because I want to get all of the frizzes out of the braids. And voila, you got a motherfucking masterpiece up in this. Y'all, let me stop cussing. But y'all see her braids. Don't play with it. Don't play with me. And y'all, I went in, period. I hope y'all enjoyed. Here's a few other lemonade braid styles I've done that I got some really good pictures of. And y'all know your girl love doing some lemonade braids. This is my favorite style ever. And y'all, as y'all can see, I love doing them really long to people's thighs. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoy it. Don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe, and press that notification bell, because I really cannot stress this enough, but I really will be posting a lot more on here. I just want y'all to keep up with me, and I got a question and answer video coming for y'all really soon.